Namaskar. For many men, erectile dysfunction is a challenge, regardless of their age. Erectile dysfunction may be caused because of many factors, including general health condition or stress. There are non-invasive erectile dysfunction remedies that may help to certain extent, including proper diet and lifestyle changes. Today, I am going to share with you the recipe, which is a powerful beet nut shot. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need for this beet nut shot. 1 small beet peeled and chopped, a quarter cup of walnuts, 1 teaspoon of watermelon seeds, a handful of fresh leafy greens, half a cup of water. You can add more for your desired consistency. A pinch of rock salt, jeera, and black pepper powder. With our ingredients ready, let's see the preparation steps. Start by washing and chopping the beet into small pieces for easier blending. Now place the chopped beet, walnuts, watermelon seeds, and leafy greens into a blender. Pour in the water to help blending. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add more water. If you would like to enhance the flavor, you can add a pinch of salt, jeera, or black pepper powder. Remember, this is entirely optional and can be adjusted to your taste. Blend until all the ingredients are well mixed and the mixture is smooth. You can garnish it with watermelon seeds or a leafy green for a presentation desired. There you have it, a simple but nutritious beet nut shot that can definitely help with erectile dysfunction and boost your overall health. Remember to enjoy the maximum benefits of the shot. You must consume it immediately to preserve its freshness and nutrient content. This recipe for overcoming erectile dysfunction incorporates key ingredients to address various aspects of sexual health. Beet is rich in nitrate and it enhances blood flow to support erection. Walnuts with omega-3 fatty acid and arginine promotes heart health and blood vessel functioning. Watermelon seeds containing citrulline relaxes and dilates blood vessels, aiding blood flow to the reproductive organs. Leafy greens offers folates for sexual health support. Collectively, these components work together to help combat the erectile dysfunction by improving circulation, heart health, blood vessel function, and overall sexual well-being. Along with trying out this beet nut shot, consider making other healthy lifestyle changes into your daily routine. Regular exercise, balanced diet, stress management, these all are required for achieving good health goals. Namaskar.